Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to restore email from trash in a Gmail account in a Gmail on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Gmail applications, and now in this page you just have to go to the trash folder guys. Now to go it, you just have to tap on this three lines icon at the top left. Now you just have to scroll it out a little until you find here the trash icon. Just go ahead, and this is the email that I have deleted before. It will be on this trash page guys. So if you wanna restore it, you just have to tap on this email, and now we're going to this three dots icon at the top right, and after tap on move to the first option. Now in this pop-up you just have to choose the folder that you want to move the email before. So here I'm gonna move it to the primary, and yeah, in this trash page, in this trash folder, there are no email again. We have to go into the primary like before, and we can see the email that we restored before, this one guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.